This is what I'm talking about with the magnolias. See how that magnolia is green like money. If you took a magnolia tree and you harvested the tree and you put it into a swanna pool, then the swanna pool could spin it around and create something, a giant one of these. So once you have a giant one, then you could plant into these different folds. That has a little red bean, you plant an entire tree. And so that an entire tree becomes a branch, as this becomes an uber tree. So that you could plant this, and then around it is the pool and the liver pool. So that you use that as a harvesting, as a creation, and a liver pool mixture. And then you put the mold that you can fly and loft over. So up it goes, and it creates this mold. It folds back and dissolves back into the pool, then creates this mold. And then you can move in, and then you take this. This is a perfect mold of the design of a tree. If this was giant, if this is 100 feet tall, or 100 yards tall, or football size giant, you see how all you have to do is collect all of it and put it into the pool. You have the resource. It's made natural, of good texture. And that way you have a Mayflower power. You see, you have 7-Eleven cosplay station games that you can bring into the forest, into the woods. That you have everything that's designed perfectly, because this is a perfect design. When you put the potted plants that are trees into these folds, then you create super intelligent things. There's millions and millions of magnolia trees that need to be harvested, and it's harvested right where it's at to create this, because this is a perfect system. Also, once you've grown the trees, you can harvest them again, and you can fly this up that floated around. It can have multiple different purposes. You can use it as a lard. You can use it for all kinds of different multi-purpose designs. It's very simplistic to make with the liver pools and the swanna pools.